Hi, my name is David Wu. I'm from the University of Southampton, the Optoelectronics Research Centre. Yes, I'm working on something called optical arbitrary waveform generation. And the idea behind this is that we want to replace one of the electronic devices in our current networks, which is currently creating a bottleneck in terms of how much bandwidth is actually available. And so by creating an optical version of this electronic arbitrary waveform generator, we can actually get around this and help speed things up. Now, without going into too much detail, the basic principle behind how it works is that I actually combine the light from 5 different lasers together, and they actually interfere with each other in such a way as to generate new waveforms. Well, there's always this push to try and replace electronic devices within our networks. So this came about because we have this new device called an optical frequency cone. And so searching for one of the applications for this, we found that we could actually use it as a reference in order to phase lock those 5 lasers I mentioned previously in order to get this arbitrary waveform generation. So it was just an idea that we came about because we had a different piece of kit and we found a problem that we could actually address using it. Well, the next step I see is to actually try and miniaturize everything I've got at the moment. So currently my setup takes up about a whole optical table. And so the next step would be to try and miniaturize everything down and shrink it onto a single photonic chip, which would be a very small device and ultimately very useful. This is a demonstration of the existing technology.